Welcome to Module 2. I want to congratulate you on reaching the halfway point of the semester. Well, I don't know about you, but I am a little tired of working on these predefined templates that the author has created. It's now time to take the training wheels off and see if you can ride on your own. Are you ready to start creating templates from scratch? I hope so. We've been working with the training wheels on. In other words, the author has started a template with all the background information completed, and all we had to do was finish it up. It's time to try it on our own now. I am excited. This means that from here on out, you will be earning all 20 points for every problem. How is this different? On the pre-program problems, you started with 20 points, and then deductions took place for things that were wrong, or not completed, or incomplete. Now you will be starting or staring at a blank screen with 0 points, and you will have to work your way up to the full 20 points. To earn these 20 points, it's important that you read the model building checklist on page 154. Take the time to read it not once, not twice, but several times as you are completing the remainder of the assignments. This will be summarized on this short video. The key to success in these future problems will be to plan it out. I will be grading you on the following: documentation. Document your work. Make sure that every assignment has your name, the file name, and a purpose or description that is clearly listed at the top of each document. When I pick your paper up, I should have no question as to the file name or what it is that you are trying to do. Make sure that all the relevant data for the company is included in your template. When a template lends itself well to a data section, answer section type format, make sure you clearly label those parts of your worksheet. Completeness counts. Make sure you answer all parts of the problem. If you don't do a requirement of the assignment, then there is no way you will earn all 20 points. Appearance counts. Use all the features you learned about in the lessons section of the Quick Book. Experiment with different fonts and formats. Use bolds and italics where appropriate. Use borders to your advantage. Remember that every line on a spreadsheet should be labeled. All columns should have headings. All totals should clearly be labeled as such. Use appropriate and consistent formats throughout your template. That means we wouldn't expect to see some numbers with 3 decimal places, some with 2, and some with 1. Be consistent. Small things you do will add value to your template. You need to earn your points. In the past, your author worried about the appearance issues. Now it's up to you. Accuracy is also important. Don't be so concerned about the appearance that you sacrifice the accuracy. All work done should use sound accounting concepts, and of course, it should be done in accordance with generally accepted accounting principles. Flexibility will be heavily graded. There will be major points assigned to flexibility. Templates should be able to be used repetitively with any changes isolated to the data section of the template. Each one of your problems will also now contain a chart. As always, make sure you have the same 3-part title that you would include on financial statements: who, what, when, with who being the name of the company, what being what's being charted, and when is either a date if you're charting a balance sheet item or a period of time if you're charting an income statement item. Make your chart the best it can be. Consider using data labels. If you still aren't comfortable preparing charts, please go review Lesson 5 on charts from the QuickBook. Don't forget, if you need help, that's why I'm here. Email me with your questions, attend a lab to get one-on-one instruction, come into my office hours, or drop by my traditional class on Mondays and Wednesdays from 11 to 12:15, or set up an appointment. Once again, read through the model building hint checklist several times as you're creating these brand new models from scratch. You'll be earning your 20 points. If you complete a file and would like me to take a look at it for a specific reason, then send your file by email along with your question and I'll be happy to give you some input. I look forward to reading your updates by Sunday night.